WIP picking and issuing comes to Syspro in 2024. Warehouse management has provided an opportunity to streamline and enhance the processes and operations around work in progress. WIP picking and issuing provides the opportunity to use the same functionality as we apply to picking stock and fulfilling orders. This feature allows the allocation of stock when it is required at the time of generating the picking slip, fully integrated missions and tasks to allow for the picking of stock to be completed via handhelds and Espresso, directing the picker to the specific location and selecting the relevant lots and serial numbers. Once each pick has been completed, the stock picked can then be automatically issued to the job rather than waiting for it to be issued at a later stage. To enable and use WIP picking, we need to have fixed bins and multiple bins switched on. We can then interface or integrate WIP picking with missions and tasks by enabling this option here. Then against the warehouses, we will enable WIP picking on each of the relevant warehouses where picking is required. There are two options in here. We've got the WIP picking cycle in use, which can be switched on or off. Then you have got the auto issuing of stock to the job on completion of a pick. That would be switched on here. Further to this configuration, under Structures and Routings, we can specify the destination bin against the operation. It's not mandatory because the destination bin can be set during the pick creation, but against the operation, we are able to specify the destination bin, which is the production bin here. Jobs are created in the standard way to generate a pick for a job. The job needs to have been confirmed. Then within Pick Review, we can go in and we can see the list of jobs where we have got stock codes that have not had a pick raised for them yet. This will only return those warehouses where picking has been enabled. We would then select the relevant components of that job, and we would click on the Create Pick option. In here we can create a new pick, or we can add to an existing pick. That add to an existing pick is to put onto a pick where the destination is the same. Because the destination bin has been set against the operation, the destination is already set here, and we are unable to change that. Down at the bottom, we've got options to specify that we want to print a picking list and that we want to create a mission for this pick. We will go ahead and create that pick. It's at this stage now where we specify the allocation of stock to the pick. We will go down and select a relevant location. Select Add to List, and that's then completed our allocation for that job. And it tells us that pick 24 has been created. We can now see that pick within Pick Maintenance. We will come into WIP Pick Maintenance, and we shall select the pick that we've just created. That tells us the job, the stock code, the bins that have been allocated, and it should also tell us the destination bin as well. Within Pick Maintenance, we will click on the status, and that sets it to started. If we're not going to be using Espresso and missions and tasks to navigate the pick, then we're able to print off the pick note, and we can complete the pick in here. We would highlight the relevant lines and click on Complete. It tells us that the journal has been created. If we click on the job and just query the job, we can now see that quantity of 10 has been issued to that job. Let's take a look to see how this looks within missions and tasks. We will go and look at our missions and task review, and we will bring back our outstanding tasks. If we go down to the bottom, we can see that we have got a mission here. I created another pick, which is pick 25, which is after the next line on that next component on that job. We can see the details, and we can go into the pick from here as well. The WIP picking feature has been designed and built to drive increases in efficiency, with an emphasis on directing the pickers to the various locations rather than searching for stock and ensuring the correct lots and serial numbers are consumed, which enforces traceability. Added to this is the issuing of stock, which not only increases efficiency, but aids real-time visibility of stock levels, consuming the stock as it is used.